interpreted. This certifies that has been satisfactorily completed the requirements of the junior high school curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education, and is therefore awarded this certificate, signed at Joy Business School, Bacolod City, Philippines, on the 7th day of June 2024. Signed by Principal Ma'am H. Lumawa and School Directress Joy Melody Barrero. Ladies and gentlemen, the grade 10 completers of JYT school year 2023-2024. Let's start with Lance Matthew B. Barrero. Next on the list, we have Rayo T. Rivera. Congratulations. Please receive your certificate, Rob P. Swallow. Congratulations, Acer John P. Belibaba. Let's go to girls. We have Danielle Sophia M. Primavera. And last but not the least, we have Klein C. Veloso.